How to report a missing item in Lyft. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to report a missing item, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application, just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now, tap on to You button at the bottom, select it. Now, navigate to the ride history, just right here, select it. Now from here simply select the ride where you lost the item, tap Find Lost Item, follow the prompts to describe your item and contact your driver. Lyft will send a message to your driver using a masked phone number to protect both parties' privacy. If you are within 24 hours of your ride, you can call or message your driver directly through the app. Tap Contact Driver in the right details to initiate communication. If you have lost your phone, use another device to visit the Lyft Lost and Found form. Provide details about your ride and the lost item to help Lyft assist you. And that's it. This is how you can report a missing item in Lyft. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.